So I've always been a historian. I went to school for history, so I have a degree in history. So I enjoy antiques myself, and that led to me collecting antiques and then reselling antiques. But at the same time, I also get to restore antiques, so clean them up, polish them, fix them if I need to. I get the stuff in a bunch of different places. So antique flea markets, antique stores. A lot of times people will give me stuff that they've collected, but there's also thrifting at Goodwill, Savers, a lot of the thrift shops. You can find really cool antiques if you time it right. So another source for collectibles is going to estate sales. So generally on Thursdays, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, homes will have estate sales. There's groups that run estate sales for people. When someone passes away or if somebody's moving, they'll gather all their stuff that they want to sell in the house, and they'll let people in on Saturday morning to go through it. So generally, it's pretty interesting from a historical point of view because you get to see one person's entire life there, from their early days, the pictures, everything that they've collected over the years, what their likes and passions are, and it's a lot of fun. It can be hectic at times because there's a huge throng of people generally looking for valuables. My favorite part of fixing antiques is finding out about them while I restore them. So working with my hands, but also understanding what the antique was, the time period it was created. All right, so this is a Gamewell fire alarm box, and they normally have them on every corner in a town. And when you have a fire or an emergency, you would generally pull down this button. What that does inside is it pulls this lever, and it starts to send an alarm to the fire department. This is box 353. Inside there you can see there's 3 notches followed by 5 notches and then 3 notches. So it sends that over the telegraph wire, really the phone wires now, to the fire department. A lot of the antiques have great histories because they're wood, they're metal, they're heavy, there might be porcelain or jewelry. They're somebody's craftsmanship that you get to see as you restore the item. It's quite a bit of fun.